me and the lightning, we've been riding down the white line of this freeway. Never was one to take the easy way out. We did everything the hard way. Since she left home, I've been on the road, putting her miles behind me. Never thought I'd see the day I would have to pray, sweet amnesia come find me. Never been one to avoid the storm, but the hail is starting to blind me. As the rain floods the ground, got the hammer laid down, praying the storm will drown her memory. A thunderstorm, it can be a bad thing when it gets between your true love and your heartstrings. And through the thunderstorm, it's hard to see what the road up ahead holds for you and your dear family. To really sing the blues, sometimes you gotta lose your heart to some sad old memory. Tears will surely fall as your mind will recall sweetest moments from yesterday. Only time will tell if you'll make it through the hell. You don't let go of the memories. Belly to the bar and drink away the scars till the hailstorm is dissipated. A thunderstorm, it can be a bad thing when it gets between your true love and your heartstrings. And through a thunderstorm, it's hard to see what the road up ahead holds for you and your dear loving family.